let's look at the facts. Right now, large language models can effectively do what we used to do or spend 4 years at university learning to do. It can write code, it can analyze data structures, even it creates a beautiful and professional slides from scratch. Just in seconds. And it is getting better with time. The presence of AI and the fast development caused the massive shakes in the tech market. We have seen massive layoffs and shrinking of entry level roles. In Europe alone, a huge percentage of the workforce is now exposed to automation. And this means that perhaps we are going to arrive to 7 out of 10 people where AI can do at least part of the job and eventually they will be replaced and they will be laid off. Conclusion is AI can do at least part of your job. The result, jobs that used to be attractive, the ones where you just needed to know how to use a tool or to master it, will lose their value. But this is not the end. It just means that the game has changed. And now we have the question: what does this mean for the market? The market is no longer looking for a tool master, it's looking for a problem solver, specifically in software and the deep tech applications. And here is a secret that keeps you safe: domain knowledge. You see, AI creates productivity, but it doesn't always create truth or fact or knowledge. You cannot rely on AI to produce knowledge for you 100% of the time. It hallucinates. It can also make subtle errors, which cannot be detected easily. So, to use such tools effectively, you need to be the one who's verifying the knowledge and the results that you receive from the AI. You need to verify the pertinent details before you proceed. Think of an LLM like a super intelligent Google search. It can propose for you code, it can match patterns, it can find errors, it can help you create more proofreading text, code assessment, security checks in your code, bug fixes, and many more. However, you have to be the pilot. Education is still a key. Nothing beats a human ability to verify, contextualize, and control the model. Also, the way that you grow some personality in order to control a team or to run a company or even to plan ahead a project. So this is exactly what contributes to very successful ecosystem. We are so lucky now that our generation can use and benefit from the AI because we also rely on our expertise and our knowledge that we have gained in universities, things that we have developed by hand, and the cognitive abilities that we have developed along the study. So we can benefit from the AI only if we can combine it with deep, rigorous training. And for this reason, at iCafe Academy, we focus on education and organizational activities. We train you on the crucial domain knowledge. We teach you how to be problem solver who controls the AI, but not making or letting the AI controls you. And by that, you will be the person, you will not be the person that will be replaced by AI because the AI will be to your advantage, to your side, will help you move forward and do more. When it comes to deep tech applications, we have MolKet. And MolKet, we offer specialized trainings and knowledge transfer in quantum computing and the quantum AI. So MolKet was founded a year ago, and the MolKet specializes in quantum solutions, and we use AI to help you analyze quantum environments and the molecular structures and help you to use AI and to use AI to train quantum models or to make the AI models better by quantum data and the quantum models as well. We use the quantum AI to analyze and develop algorithms and the models and software for quantum molecular dynamics. And at iCafe, we help training you on the needed domain knowledge in a very short time, also leveraging AI. So you can get personalized trainings, but by experts in the field who gonna teach you the secrets and the tricks to build your personality, your cognitive abilities, your analytical skills to become a very successful engineer and expert who can use AI to their side and to not be replaced by AI. So it's a perfect marriage of human domain expertise and artificial intelligence. The market and the knowledge are evolving. Don't be afraid of the layoffs, be aware of them. The goal is to get ahead of AI. So become the person who validates code, not just the one who asks for it. If you want to make the transition from a tool user or even a super user of a tool to a problem solver, especially in high impact fields like quantum computing, quantum AI, battery design, quantum sensing, and high tech in general. Check out what we can do at iQafe for you in quantum mechanics in particular and the quantum computing at MolKet. The links of these are below in the description. Please feel free to reach out to us. And if you need any training in the new fields, reach out for iCafe and we can help you also navigate and build up your expertise and knowledge as well. See you in the next video.